My name is Tim Reusch, and our shop is Super Shop Automotive Repair. Well, we started our shop in 2003, me and my partner David, and we've been in business for about 16 years. We just recently built a brand new facility, and it's been doing really good here lately, so pretty proud of it. Since we've been with Drive, and we've been monitoring all our numbers and watching that, we've been being able to put money away in the savings, and our numbers are going up. We hired another service writer. We were thinking about hiring a service writer, but we needed that extra push from somebody to say, do it, because we were just like on the fence, and once we did it, we're like, why didn't we do it before, It's just having that, it's almost like a coach, when you're a sports player or something, they give you that push to do it, You guys are good, because he knows what he's looking at. We're not sure, so, you got that, get that confidence from him to do it, and it's working out, so.